Dry ice blasting is an ideal solution for cleaning all types of industrial printing presses, including flexography, offset and web fed. Cleaning with dry ice can remove ink, grease, paper lint, and other built-up coatings and can affect registration. Due to dry ice blasting's non-abrasive nature, even extremely fine plates used in the gravure process can be cleaned. Advantages of Michigan dry ice blasting services include: cleaning can be accomplished in place, eliminating the need to move or disassemble equipment. This minimizes downtime, increases production time, and saves money. No additional secondary waste is produced when using dry ice blasting. After dry ice blasting and a simple wipe down of non-painted parts, the presses are ready to run again. Contact Michigan's best dry ice blasting company, Strength H2O Industrial Solutions. We can handle any size project, and guarantee 100% customer satisfaction. Call to schedule your free quote today at 734-999-0444, or visit our website at www.industrialcleaningpros.com.